So, Gabe.
What?
You know what I'm really gonna miss?
I can't even guess.
Is your sense of humor.
It is pretty much up there with the greatest.
Yeah. Dad don't have a sense of humor.
Yeah.
Pete don't like being on camera.
Oh, he doesn't.
No. I just look at it as, you know, none of this is gonna matter when we die. So, what the hell?
Yeah,
Basically.
Yeah.
There's truth. I mean, look at them aerosol cans, for example.
I don't know how you're going to tie all this together.
Somebody could have use the same aerosol cans as us.
Okay.
And say, and have
glass cleaner is garbage.
And have the same gator as us, and happen to see one of my videos, and say, okay, so this is how he does it. Or I could watch one of their videos and say, oh, this is how they do it, you know?
Yeah.
That's the whole reason I started YouTube.
Yeah.
And I like the negative comments? No, but you just gotta let it roll off like water, basically.
Yeah.
So, Gabe.
What?
What's your thought for the day?
I really haven't thought that far ahead. I'm just glad to have this wrapped up and
you're glad not to be working out there with moisture falling from the sky.
100%.
Yeah.
And this is all done. I'm going to West Virginia this weekend.
Oh.
Yep, the son needs help.
Oh.
Pig for something, so.
He don't know how to cook, so he's calling a plumber.
Pretty much.
If you don't know how to cook, you call the plumber.
Well, and if you don't know how to cook, you do like I do and go on YouTube and
yeah,
you check out Cowboy Kent Rollins and he'll tell you how to make anything you want.
Yep. Or you watch Northeast Ohio Farmer.
You don't tell anybody how to cook anything.
No, you're right. I just eat it.
Right.
Did you get the expensive bill figured up?
Part of it, yeah. I started this morning, but there was so much.
Oh, okay.
I was just moving stacks of paper from this side to this side.
Oh, okay. Of what
Paperwork is not my strong point.
No. That's why you get married.
Oh, so they can do it?
Basically.
Yeah, it's worked out pretty good that way.
Yeah. Or you, if you're not married, you hire somebody to do it for you. Basically.
Yeah, well, I'm giving her half of everything I own at some point, or might have given her everything.
Right.
So yeah, she can fumble through some papers and tickle a keyboard once in a while.
I'm pretty good with a keyboard.
I've noticed. That's how you have this highly successful #1 rated YouTube channel.
I wouldn't say #1. You know who's #1, don't you?
One Lonely Farmer.
Got that right, buddy.
I got it right?
Yeah, you do watch him, don't you?
I haven't watched him in a while. I kind of slid off, you know. I don't know why. Shoot, last time I did look at it, his kid was like that tall.
I know, right? Now he says his kid, I think, is going to be like 5 or 6.
Yeah, that's a long time.
Yeah.
I've been away a long time.
I'm like, damn it. Am I getting old?
Yeah, you are.
I hope the grayness don't set in for another 10, 20 years.
You got pretty good genetics. I'm 47.
Yeah.
Yeah, it started to hit in the last 2-3 years.
Right. Now, see, my hair all just falls out. So.
Do people on YouTube really want to hear us talk about our gray hairs?
I could care less, honestly, so. Shoot. You're not going to leave them pool noodles here?
Yeah, you want them? Where do you want them?
We don't have a swimming pool, so.
Well, you might one day, especially as bad as it's been raining.
I wouldn't put them there because there would just be another reason for Dad just to throw them away in the dumpster.
Well, that's all right.
Yeah.
He's going to pay for them.
I know, right?
You might need them in your hog barn.
Yeah. I don't know. Can pigs chew through? Yeah, that's rubber, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, they do.
Yeah, they would chew the snot out of it, unfortunately. So you're going to go home and You're gonna go figure up a bill.
I'm gonna go straighten my truck up in a garage where it's not raining. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's a disaster.
Yep. I blew my cab out on the gator this morning,
Good job.
and I'm bored out of my mind.
There's got to be a calf or something being born right now.
No, there's not.
All right. Well, good.
The barn,
Good.
the
Since you're bored, you can help me carry some of my stuff.
the barns are all bedded. So, what more?
What are you gonna do with the air? You
What better way than to antagonize you and just have a good old time doing it, right?
I agree.
You gotta laugh sometime in life.
Absolutely.
That's something that higher management doesn't know how to do.
No. You know what they got to put up with.
What's that?
They're not, because you know what they have to put up with.
Yeah, people not showing up to work and everything else. And yes, there's more.
What?
There's more. Since you're a plumber,
I am not papered and or certified.
I would like you to paint that so it matches the ceiling, please.
I just act like a plumber on YouTube.
I would like you to paint that, please.
Okay.
I think we have some white paint around here somewheres.
We'll go find it.
I will go find it. It's raining. I know, right? I'm gonna go find that white paint so you can paint that.
All right, please do.
Yes, sir.
That's below my pay grade right there.
And here.
And here's the problem is once you start painting, then where do you
Well,
stop?
but
Then you
it-
have to do the whole thing.
That's exactly what I'm getting at.
Nobody's got time for that.
Because we don't want it to stick out like a sore thumb. You gotta make it blend in.
It's kind of a nice contrast. The gray that's already in the existing white metal with that.
Okay.
I think it looks good.
You know what I should have you do?
Don't even take all them stickers off.
Stickers. No, I was gonna say cut a spot out in the ceiling, take the spot down and put your piping all up in the ceiling and hide it that way.
All right. Well, we'll have to get a change order for that.
No, just add it onto your bill.
We're gonna have to take that
Just-
to upper management.
Just add it onto the bill. Or else you can take this paint here and you can spray paint over it.
I don't want that paint. I need some gloss black. Do you have any of that?
Well, but the ceiling is already white. You get what I'm saying?
Not really. No. It's all just shenanigans here because there's no way anybody would paint that.
I would.
Okay? I left you your ladder so you can have at her, boy.
But I don't like heights that well.
That's okay. The heights isn't what's going to kill you. It's just if you fall, there's going to be a hard stop at the bottom. That's what it gets you.
Are you sure about that?
That's what I've heard.
Are you sure you don't have the wrong ladder?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's your ladder and it'll get you right up there perfect.
But that ladder's too tall.
No.
You know, we do have a man lift around here somewhere.
Now you tell me. That would have been nice to have last week.
Well,
Oh my God.
you didn't ask, so we didn't say nothing.
You're probably right.
If you don't ask, you don't get involved.
All right, well, come over here. Let me show you how this works. I gotta show you that. Well, you don't have to, I guess.
How?
I don't know how to find the lights.
The light switch is right here.
This is so easy, even you can figure this out.
Oh, good God. That's scary.
I just adapted the existing system.
So it looks just like the one over there.
Right. So you just
Plug it in.
That's not probably code, but
Oh, okay.
there you go. Oh,
Yeah. Safety third. You're not gonna stick around and paint that?
No, sir. That wasn't in the quote.
Are you sure about that?
I'm positive. I was looking through it just this morning. Nothing about paint.
Under all
I don't plant grass. No remediation of any sort. No.
You're just a plumber.
On YouTube I am, yeah.
That thinks he knows what he's doing.
No, I don't even claim that.
Oh, you don't?
No, I just make water go from A to B and back to A.
Well then,
at a high rate of speed.
Well then, I just place food in front of animals then, basically.
That's right.
Yep.
I don't know, there's no similarity there, but you know, yeah.
I'm just basically a steering wheel holder. Is what everybody makes me out to be.
Of a gator.
Yeah. And a farm tractor.
Yep.
That's basically all that a farmer is. Somebody that places food in front of animals.
Well, no, I gotta disagree with you there because most of them are pretty smart.
Unlike me.
How to do all the stuff that they do, when to do
Oh,
it.
you have to go to college to learn how to work on these darn tractors and all that.
There's no, that's a whole nother,
yeah.
a whole nother video.
That's above my pay grade. Uh-huh. Are you sure you don't want my spare camera to play with? And
I wouldn't be able to keep up with it. Because look how much time it takes for you to do it. You got to do this, and then what? You got to go home and cut it up, and edit out.
Yeah.
It's enough for me to make bills and emails.
So
all right, we good to go?
Well, I still want you to paint that first.
No, I'm not painting. Here you go. I'll see you later.
Yep.